All right, we're going to do a video of this Tennant floor scrubber model 5680. Joe's going to demonstrate.
Okay, pretty much turning the key on, battery life.
Yeah. It's got a good battery in there. We just charged them. How many hours are on that? Can you read it?
Yeah, 1658.
All right, 1658 hours.
So pretty much just turn the switch on for indication of the light. Switch on. Brings the scrubber brush down. Drive forward. Put the water up a little bit.
Nice. We definitely need to do that in here.
Pick it up, down, vacuum turned on.
Oh, that was just the scrub part. Yeah, we definitely need to do that here. We're pretty tight in here. Nice. We check the acid on the battery, top them off with deionized water. Charge them up. This comes with a charger too, which is right on that little rocking chair. It's yellow. Nice. We cleaned it all out. Tank is beautiful.
Turn it off. Just pick up the wand, vacuum out like it turns off. Turn the switch. Brushes will start to come up.
Mint.
Brushes will come up now.
Oh yeah. Does this just open up like this?
Yep. It's got water in it, but we can
Oh,
open it
it's
up.
kind of heavy. We'll just take a peek. Oh yeah, I can hear the water in there swishing around. All right, here's what it looks like in here. Look at it, it's beautiful in here. With the rain. That's the trash side?
Yeah, trash side and then the filter side. The filter, but whatever.
Looks beautiful.
Yeah, great shape.